Hi, today we will see how to add the total labels on stack bar chart. So in order to do that, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So for in order to do that, we first have to create one bar chart. So I'll take this subcategory and I'll drop it onto the column, and com- and then I'll take the sales field and I'll drop it onto a row. And as you can see, our simple basic bar chart is ready. So after that, I'll make it an entire view. And for creating this bar chart as a stack bar chart, what I'll just do, I'll take the ship mode and I'll drop it onto the color. So as you can see, our stack bar chart is ready. So if I take the sales speed and drop it onto the label, so as you can see, the sales of each mode is showing onto our bar, but there isn't it is not showing the total sales. So in order to do that, I'll just take the sales field again and I'll drop it onto the row shelf. And after that, you just click on this sum of sales marks card, remove the ship mode, and after that, right click here, click on dual axis, again right click and click on synchronize axis. So after creating this dual axis, as you can see, it is showing in the circle shape. So for change for changing the shape, just go there and go on the marks card, click on drop down, select bar, and click on the second marks card, click on drop down and select bar. So now as you can see, our bar chart, stack bar chart is ready, and also you can see the top of our bar, it is showing the total sales, and in the uh, and on the bar, on the stack bar chart, it is showing the sales of particular mode, and on the top of chart it is showing the total sales. So this is how we can add the total labels on stack bar chart. Thank you and stay tuned for more.